Well, did a little cleanup on the driveway. Starting to grow up a little bit around it. They're looking pretty good. Big enough they should be able to back in here and unload the track hoe when they get ready. That's the plan. Thought I'd run a little quick video. Alright, we'll get back here in the woods, do a little bit. Work on the stump holes in the driveway, get those cleared away. Smoothed out a little. Made big potholes in my driveway in a few places. I got a lot of cleanup to do. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's see if we can get this going. Thanks for watching.